Hey James, so I wanted to kind of show you how to set up your notebook inside OneNote for kind of taking your daily notes. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to OneNote and open that up. And for this video, I've already kind of made the template, but to create a new notebook, you come up here to File and create, hit new, and it's going to ask you where you want to save this notebook. And I recommend that you save it in your OneDrive under your notebook folder, just so that's where it's going to back up and store all this information. If you wanted to access it from somewhere else or access it on OneDrive. And once you've created the notebook, it's going to prompt you, what do you want to name it? And for this, I kind of named it My Daily Notes. And then I created 4 tabs up here at the top. This is how I would organize it. Again, you can choose to do it however you want, but I broke it down into seasons, so winter, spring, summer, and fall. And then within each page or within each section, you kind of can create a page as your, February 13th through the 17th, and then add a page for each day and label those days of the week. Okay. And then what you can do is you can make these subpages. So you can, if you select Friday and then hold Shift, the Shift key, and then click Monday, it'll select all of them, and then right click. You can make these subpages, which will demote them under the February 13th through 17th page, which will allow you to like collapse it. And so you can keep this whole right-hand column really organized and clean. And then once you've created that, you can, once you've created your template, you can select all the pages, right click and click copy. And so for the next week, you have your new page and say it's February, I don't know the dates off the top of my head here, and then you can right click over here and click paste, and you'll have those days all set for you. So you don't have to create a new page every single day. And you could build out your notebook so you have all of that set up. The last thing I wanted to show you was how to make it lined so you can use the stylus pen. And so to do that, you come up here to View and you click Rule Lines. And you can kind of change how you want it set up. You can do, if you want them bigger or if you want them like college ruled, however small you want to write. And when using the stylus, you want to make sure that you're in the correct writing feature. So you want to go to Draw over here and make sure that you are in the correct the pen setting. So sometimes it will put you into like a highlighter setting, which will kind of create some weird text. And that way you can kind of write. This is a quick demo, but on the stylus, another really cool feature is there's 2 buttons on the side. If you click the button closest to the tip of the stylus and hold that, it'll shift to the eraser key, and you can just erase what you just wrote down. So that's just a kind of quick demo in terms of how to set up this kind of weekly or daily, notebook for you. If you have any other questions, yeah, feel free to let me know.